Good Friday evening, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Friday evening. Now, looking at the radar right now for South Carolina, if you're in like just to the west of Moncks Corner, Florence, and Dillon, all the way up to the upstate, you're looking pretty good. But we do have some thunderstorms that goes all the way from Walterboro all the way down towards Charleston, Hanahan, Georgetown, and over there near Conway and Myrtle Beach. We just had that little severe thunderstorm watch. If you were watching your screen around a second ago, or maybe like a good 10 seconds or so, you probably saw the the orange inside the box. The orange inside the counties. That was a severe thunderstorm watch. We also do have special weather statements as well for Charleston, Hanahan. That's for gusts of up to 55 miles per hour, and I believe that is 45 to 55 mile per hour winds and penny-sized hail. That's for like North Charleston, Mount Pleasant, the very southern side of Somerville, Goose Creek, Hanahan, downtown Charleston, West Ashley, and Daniel Island as well. So that's for that storm. Let's go ahead and zoom out and look at the entire United States instead. So if we go ahead and zoom our way out, look at this. We have some quiet condition. We have some storms up there in like Wisconsin, some storms obviously down here in the Carolinas, but in terms of like severe storms, the west is looking good. Except for, well, the west coast is mainly looking good, but like we do have some showers down near New Mexico, Colorado, the Four Corners region pretty much, and the desert southwest is getting some showers as well. Texas is getting some rain, and over here, obviously, where we are, we're getting some rain. Florida's getting a couple of storms. The Northeast is getting some rain. And up here inside of the north central United States, we're getting some rain with some storms as well. Let's go ahead and talk about cloud cover. So obviously, with those storms moving off the coast, you can see that the cloud cover is moving off with it. Low clouds behind the main clouds with the storms as well. So I think once we get into tonight, it's going to start to be clearing up a little bit. And you can kind of see it right here on this model. If we go ahead and push it back to the previous model run, and we're going ahead and push it forward, you can already see South Carolina starting to clear up more than it was already for today. And if you push it forward, there it goes. And you're not really seeing any more clouds going until around 10 to 11 hours from now. Obviously, some scattered clouds cannot be ruled out near the coast, but you know, we're always going to see clouds here. Here is our current temperature: 71 in Columbia, 77 in Charleston, 71 in Savannah, 72 in Myrtle Beach, 66 in Greenville, 70 in Anderson, 68 in Rock Hill, 70 in Bennettsville, and 66 inside of Walhalla as well. Here's our low temperatures for tonight. Um, Low temperatures around 55 in Columbia, 60 in Charleston, 63 in Hilton Head Island, 56 in Moncks Corner, 57 in Georgetown, 59 in Myrtle Beach, 52 up there for Greenville and Anderson, 50 for Spartanburg, 51 for Rock Hill, and 54 for Cheraw. Here's our forecasted precipitation for the next 24 hours or so. We will have, around a good hundredth of an inch to around a tenth of an inch going into pretty much going into tonight into tomorrow. But I think that with those showers pushing out, there's pretty much no chance of precipitation unless you're in the Charleston region or just at the coast in general. You see around a good another hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch. But once we get through tonight and we get to tomorrow, it's gonna be a nice day tomorrow. So definitely enjoy it because we're not gonna be seeing a quiet period for too long, and we'll talk about that in our future cast. Here's our day one categorical outlook. I'm going to refresh it, see if there's an update, which there is. We have a marginal risk of severe weather for pretty much the coast, Charleston, all going all the way up towards Dorchester County, all the way up to Myrtle Beach. But you can pretty much say that that's pretty much going to be out of here. And once it's gone, the severe weather threat is pretty much over after that. Cannot rule out still a strong storm or two, but in terms of severe, I just don't see any of these storms getting to severe limits anymore. And if they do, we'll be ready for them. And then in terms of the next few days, we're gonna be quiet again. Here's day two. You can see we have a TSTM down there for Florida near like Orlando, Miami, West Palm Beach, And then day 3, we have ATSTM for Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, and Oklahoma. As well, just some regular thunderstorms over there. And then day 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, we're looking fine. Here's our excessive rainfall. Look, we are under a little bit of our area down there near like Savannah is under a day 4 marginal risk of excessive rainfall. That really just comes with a chance for some minor flooding and some very minor flash flooding, if any. But day 5 is the day that we're gonna have to watch for. This is May the 14th. The next time we're probably gonna get some rain, and that's gonna come with a flash flooding threat for Greenville, all the way down to Charleston. And down there, again, where we had that marginal risk of excessive rainfall for day 4, which is Monday, day 5, we have a slight risk. So pretty much the marginal risk is taken over by a slight risk for your Tuesday. And that's where you might actually really have to watch for some excessive rainfall and some flash flooding. So let's go ahead and talk about the future, and we'll go ahead and talk about that. So if we go ahead and push it forward, you can see the system right here on May the 14th. There it goes around 2 o'clock or so. So it's going to be raining for sure for pretty much everyone on May the 14th. Once we go ahead and push it forward, you can see here on May the 17th, we're going to start seeing some more rain, some more heavy showers, again, some more thunderstorms, and just continue to push it forward. A low pressure develops over us on May the 20th. That won't really mean much. I mean, it's a very weak one. Just bring some rain along with it. And we get a bit of a quiet period. A high pressure takes over. That's going to bring us some nice fair weather. Not for long, though, until we get to around May the 23rd, where we're going to start to see some more rain take over and potential for another kind of like severe weather setup for May the 26th as well. But that's the end of May, so we're way too far out to talk about that for now. But in terms of that, that's pretty much it. So no like any type of like severe weather, like in terms of tornadoes, damaging winds. But definitely still a chance for some flash flooding, excessive rainfall. So that's what we're going to be watching for now. So let's go ahead and hear from our audience. If you want to be a part of the audience, you can go ahead and be a part of the audience. If you join us at 9 o'clock, I was not supposed to be here tonight, but I came back home early, so I'm here tonight. I probably will not be here again tomorrow, but I will be here tomorrow morning for your Saturday forecast update. That's going to be a very chill forecast update. Not a lot's going to happen on Saturday. Like I said, Saturday is going to be a nice day. Same thing with Sunday as well. So we're going to have a nice couple of days there. So let's go ahead and hear from them. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in inside the chat. Bring that over there. Switch over. Here it is. So Miss Tolliver says we had a small thunderstorm. Yeah, it just rolled by just around I'd say around a couple of minutes ago, not too long ago. It stopped raining now, at least. Anthony says good evening to you. Said I missed it. Well, you didn't miss all of it. My cousin says, hey Joes, hello. Got it, was off. And then we had strong wind and rain here. Yeah, you guys were under a severe thunderstorm warning. I think it was for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and then some quarter-sized hail as well. So that's, I was talking about the Myrtle Beach area today. I was saying that you guys really could get a strong storm today. And I was right, so. But anyways, you just say scary. Yeah, sometimes those storms can be a bit stronger than you think, but I mean, it's nothing really too much to worry about. I just learned that you need to be prepared instead of scared for storms, because if you're prepared, there's no reason to be scared at all. You just know for any type of if you get like any type of severe thunderstorm or anything like that, you should always get indoors, get inside of a car, and stay away from windows. Obviously, don't get in like the shower or anything like that. And especially when it comes to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, that can knock down trees, take out power. That could do anything. In terms of like knocking down power lines, like exactly, I don't think it will really like knock down power lines, just like in general. But you can definitely knock down like power lines. That's not out of the question. But power poles, no. But I guess it's not impossible. But that's pretty much it. I don't see anything else, so we sure did. And other than that, that's it. So we have 6 people in, 7 likes. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the share button as well. Last time I checked, we're at 93, and we still are. We're at 93 subscribers. We need 7 more because we're trying to get to our goal of 100 by the end of May. We have, I think, 3 weeks left. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 weeks left exactly, until we get to the end date. So we got to get 7 more subscribers in 3 weeks. 7 more people in 3 weeks as well. There's 7 people watching right now, the exact number of people, but I'm pretty sure everyone here is subscribed, so I don't think. And if you are here and you haven't subscribed, you're going to need to go on ahead and get that done. But that's pretty much it. Everyone have a fantastic night, and I will be back tomorrow morning with another forecast update. If you guys have anything to say inside the live chat now, go on ahead and say it, or go ahead and say it. And I'll be here for about another 5 minutes.